I've completed the first course and am very interested in runes. I am currently 3 months pregnant. How might studying affect the baby in the womb? I'm not worried about the second course, but studying runes does make me a bit anxious. It's good, colleague, that you're listening to yourself. Definitely keep doing exactly that. If you feel any doubts, especially now, being pregnant, when you are particularly hypersensitive to yourself and your precious baby's condition, you need to be extremely attentive to such subtle inner signals. If your inner convictions or simply your feelings tell you no, then it's no. If they say yes, then it's yes. So you've described everything absolutely correctly. The second course won't do you any harm. It will probably only benefit you and your baby. And such a heavy magical transformation, like the one through runes, might not be timely for you right now, neither for you nor for your baby. So put it off until better times. Nothing will run away from you. You won't miss out on anything. Everything has its time. Just do what is right for both of you now, because you are no longer alone.